Ontrp.
ENTREUPRENEUR.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Smash Talk. Today's video is a collaborative project with the Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Assam Engineering College for their annual business fest Earthnity 2017. It's supposed to held on the 1st and 2nd of April. The link is given here and also in the description box below.
Who, according to you, is an entrepreneur?
See what basically an entrepreneur can be. There's a panwala. There's a just there you can see this particular person who's selling those ice creams.
Yes.
And he's an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, we are basically adjusting with something that is very very great. We are doing startups, this and that and that and this. So not that entrepreneur is always something that needs to be very very good or very very excellent or something that is very very extraordinary. In fact, even starting a pandukan or a ice cream seller, even those people are entrepreneurs. So I trust that to include entrepreneurship with the very basic criteria of your society. That is what I feel is entrepreneurship.
Any individual with an idea, with a plan, who can come up with something economical, who can come up with something that works in his own benefit, then he can be called an entrepreneur.
One who sets up his own business, he's an entrepreneur. According to me, he's an entrepreneur.
Is someone who starts his own business, maybe on a small scale or a large scale, and tries to enlarge it with his own capabilities.
Okay. Can you spell the word entrepreneur for me? Just try it once.
ENTRPREUNER.
You just
I
missed
don't
the
think
word, I think.
ENTREPREPNUR. No, sorry, I'm so confused.
Do you want to try?
No, you?
No, I'm so confused right now. I knew it, but I forgot now.
Entrepreneur.
ENTRAPEN.
It's TRE. ENTEPRENAUR.
Maybe you want to give it one more try. You were a little bit close.
ENTE.
It's entrepreneur. Entrepreneur.
I don't know.
Okay.
So do you think getting an MBA degree from institutions like IIM or maybe Harvard makes you a better and successful entrepreneur?
No, it's not necessary.
No, I don't think
It's not necessary.
it's not necessary. And Bill Gates has once said that you don't have to have a college degree
Yeah.
to be an entrepreneur.
Most
to
of the
start
successful
something of your own.
entrepreneurs are mostly college dropouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So they are the best examples that it's not necessary to have an MBA degree.
Okay.
No?
No,
And why is that?
no, because it's the hard work that matters. It's hard work is
Every
everything.
university comes up with
Every-
the same degree and stuff, but it depends on the effort that has been put in, regardless of the fact that where you were studying. So.
The individual effort is main in this case, regardless of any university. Someone can study in Harvard and they might know less than someone studying in Indian any institution. Depends upon the personal knowledge and personal hard work about it.
I don't think so. Entrepreneur is something which you inculcate it within yourself. Entrepreneur means like you have to have the ideas. MBA graduate can't be an entrepreneur like this. That's bookish thing. Bookish thing can't make you an entrepreneur. So I think mostly the engineers are entrepreneur than the MBA or the Harvard ones.
Okay, thank you.
Then, can you name one company that originated in Assam?
I don't know the name. I forgot the name. I don't remember. Poptails. Poptails. Yeah. Poptails.
Folk called Loti Koti.
हिंदी में entrepreneur को क्या बोलते हैं?
Hindi में
Yes.
that's really
सोचिए.
something something Udyapati and or I'm not sure.
किसका पति?
Not Pati at all. It's Udya and then something. That I don't know. Udya and something.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know.
No idea.
No idea at all. This is the first time I'm
Okay. So you're given a chance to start a business. What field would you like to choose?
Agri field.
IT. Why is it, sir?
because it's the most, nowadays most valuable company for IT.
Okay.
It is maximum here.
So you think that IT would be the maximum profitable business according to you?
According to our knowledge till now, we think that IT companies.
You just told me you guys are students of what?
Yeah, we are from economics.
Economics department. But you're interested in
Yeah.
Obviously music,
music, and why is that?
because I feel that I will have some knowledge because I'm from that field.
So you yourself are a musician.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. What about you?
Coaching and stuff.
Education.
It is
And why
highly
do you
demanding.
think education?
That is highly demanding at this point.
Yeah, that's true. And what about you?
Well, I choose buildings and flats because I'm doing a civil engineering.
Okay.
So it will also helpful for me.
Okay, you mean contractor or maybe builder or
Like builders, yes.
okay, builder.
The DCAC invites you guys to the Earthnet 2017 and it's on 1st and 2nd April.
Like, share and subscribe. Smash Talk.